Where um, tops, bottoms, clothing, lots of baiting bags, and you can see where they've done barbecuing. There was a barbecue box. There was a box which someone has informed me was a barbecue box. It's like a briefcase. Nice, strong, sturdy, black briefcase type bag. Box it was. Case, yes. Anyway, have a look at these tracks. Now the files on this one are also very good. They record up to about 16 minutes, nearly 4 gigs, whereas the Wolfgang was recording 2-minute intervals, and there was no way to change it. Even if you manually formatted it to from FAT to XFAT or FAT32, it wouldn't work. It would still record 2-minute intervals, which was annoying if you want to upload to YouTube. Then I had to use OpenShot, an open source freeware video editor, join all the files. It would take hours and hours to export it as 2.7K. If I did 4K, it would have taken a very, very long time, maybe a day longer. So I wasn't happy with the Wolfgang GA440 for that reason as well. On top of the battery lasting only half, and the customer service, oh no, that's normal, that's last 90 minutes. I'm like, well, no, that doesn't make sense. And actually with this one yesterday, it lasted for over an hour and a half, and it still had 25% left. Approximately had 1 bar when I was doing 1080, and that was on top of playing around with it when it first arrived for about 50 minutes, 20 minutes. So that's not bad going. And today still had 4 bars after and nearly 45 minutes recording on 4K 60 fps. Got some homes on the left. For privacy, I won't show those homes, even though there's no one out. There's a large ditch running between the back of the house and what's that click? It's like someone's playing cricket. Okay. I'm not sure when the card gets full up if it this is interesting. There's someone who made a place to go down there. I've not been down there. Look at that bird. I don't know what the species name is. Oh, I tried to catch it. Maybe he caught a fish. I hope I'm doing this good David Attenborough style. Get. He's trying to catch some fish. Is that an owl? No. I don't know what it is. Does anyone know? I have my comments turned off, so you won't be able to leave comments. Sometimes you always get some negative, and it just is not nice. You got nothing good to say, best to keep quiet. Why spoil it for everyone else, I say. The swan is over there. Yesterday and Easter Friday will come near me. Sort of in a way to say thank you for clearing it all up, all the mess and the some bird wood Well, here people would make a campfire, I suppose. Still fishing, that bird. Let's see, how long have I been recording on 4K? 15 minutes. So I'll just stop this. One bar's gone out of 3.